Morning, guys. I'm sweating already.
Morning, guys.
Why are you being so miserable? She's not happy with what she's wearing. So we're up and we are ready and we are going to Ozoud Waterfalls.
You can swim in it.
I hope.
What do you mean I hope? You can swim in it.
Okay.
So we were supposed to leave at 10, but obviously that wasn't happening. We were rushing about and now it's what, 10:15? People that decided that they weren't gonna come
Trying to vlog it.
are now coming, so they're last minute getting dressed and joining us. It's a 2-hour drive apparently. Hopefully there's no traffic because we have people that are constantly travel sick. I'm not taking shots, I'm just saying the truth. Snapchatting. Mum,
Yeah?
you excited?
I am, yeah. Thumbs up. Kaidani.
And we've got a better car than our camel ride car, thank God, because me and Mimi's legs were literally squished at the back. Look how much leg room we have. Look, before my legs were like, now they're like.
I have lots of space.
You have lots of space. We've got little, it's like a little aeroplane in here. Just pulled over the car because they're doing some sort of horse, what is it, a horse show? They've got guns and they're like running on the horses. And I heard a gunshot at some point. But what are they doing? I heard a gunshot. Are they racing? Oh! What are they doing? Standing on the horses, running? Whoa. We just stopped off for a service break because it is a very long drive. You can kind of see the mountains. Got some snacks. What did we get? Got some Moroccan Pringles because I'm craving some crisps. What are you getting?
I was going to get a chocolate bar, but I can't bother with that.
Why? How are you finding the drive, Tamina? It's alright. Not being funny, but this shopkeeper is really miserable. He's not the nicest. Not the nicest at all. But our driver, on the other hand, is so nice, innit?
Yeah.
Our driver's nice. And we got a good car today. The other day the car was so small. We was dreading having to sit in that car for 3 hours. Today our car's got a lot of space. So we're good, innit? And we're getting closer and closer to the waterfalls.
I'm in the waterfall.
Let's see if we can capture the mountains and show you guys. Hold this. See the mountains? The views have been amazing. And it's so nice to see something other than our hotel. How much longer have you got to go?
Silence.
Silence.
Half an hour, 45 minutes. So we're here now. Everyone's in a bit of a cranky mood, so no one's really that happy. But we are walking to the waterfalls.
I'm in the waterfall.
The man said it's a bit of a walk, but I'm really, and everyone's like, I hope it better be good. Better be good, otherwise we're gonna cuss you out. But it's gonna be good. Innit, Mum?
I don't even know.
It will be. Go on. That is one hell of a bridge.
Biggest bridge I've ever seen.
Biggest bridge you've ever seen. This is what we're walking along. My hair has gone so crispy dry, like it looks disgusting. I don't know how to keep my wet hair look wet. If you know, then tell me. This is what we're walking towards, guys. So this is the waterfall, guys. We found it.
Alright guys, get your swimming costumes on.
I can see it. It looks beautiful. This is stunning. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. You can get on the boats over there. That's what we're going to be doing. Right, that's Mum's bottle gone.
There it goes, my bottle.
Not getting that back. Look at these guys at the top.
This is the second biggest waterfall in Africa.
It's amazing. Okay, we have reached steady land. I believe we're getting on a boat now. I'm sweating like a dog. I don't think I've ever sweat like this ever in my life. So we are on the boat now. Got the shops here. People's shops, people's houses. These are the rest of the boats. Honestly, it's beautiful. Looks amazing. We've got another boat there. We're going to go really, really close to the water there. So I don't know whether I'm going to be able to vlog because my camera might get wet. So we've just had something to eat and now we've come all the way up here and you're even closer to the waterfall. Is that my hand? Oh, look at this. Nice, Mimi? Guess what? That is where the waterfall's going. We were down there somewhere where we got on the boat. That is where we ate. We had tagine and chicken shish. The mountains, you can see the mountains. You see the rainbow, like here. There's a rainbow. So pretty. Not being funny, this is animal torture. He's thirsty. Oh gosh. Come in. Let's go. We have monkeys.
Mr. and Mrs. Monkey.
You can see the waterfall over there. Oh my god, that guy's holding a monkey on his head. Oh my god, I'm not about that life. I'm so done for the day. Had enough, too much family drama, moody people, complaining. back to the car. Back to the car. And back to the hotel. I've had enough. Now it's a 3-hour drive back to the hotel. We just stopped off at the Superette to get some chocolate and snacks.
Oh, there's some biscuits that I eat.
I love them. Oh look, they have Milka. The Superette, they've got a car wash here. They've got some food. It smells so good, but we've got to go back to the hotel and eat. I cannot wait to go back to the hotel and have a shower. It's a very stressful day today.
I said I don't want like fat chips. They're not good for me.
Come on.
I said I don't want like fat chips. They're not good for me. I just said. Don't do that.
Why?
They're not good for me. Fat chips ain't good for me.
Finally, we're about to pull up
Oh,
at
yes.
the hotel after very long
Like
journey.
80, bro. Say yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let us in, mate.
Said I don't like fat chips. They're not good for me.
Finally! I have never been so exhausted in my life. So the excursion today was amazing. We just got back not too long ago. We're all having our showers so that we can go and have dinner. But oh my gosh. So basically what happened was we booked the excursion with the hotel and it was all fine, but then we got there and they didn't take us through like a main entry point, like because it's quite a significant like landmark. They took us through like this back road and we literally had to go through like hills and like alleyways, but it was like in the forest. I fell and like mum fell, Mimi fell, Tahmid fell. I mean, it was just a disaster. Like, it was really difficult going up and down. I was wearing sandals, mum was wearing sandals. Mimi, were you wearing sandals? She was wearing Crocs. But still, it was just really difficult. And then all of a sudden, we got to the waterfalls, and obviously we were so mesmerized by it, we didn't even think about what was going on around us. But we went on our boat trip. That was all amazing. When we finished the boat trip, we obviously went for lunch, and then we had another look around because there's other steps where you can like go up and have a look at the waterfall. But then when we got back into the car and me and mum started talking, obviously we saw loads of other people that had gone on that same excursion, and they didn't look like muddy, they didn't look like we had dust all over our feet, we were sweating like crazy, my makeup was all coming off. But when we went to the lunch place where all the other people were who had done the same excursion and didn't look the same as us, we were a bit like, what's going on? And then me and mum started talking, and we think that they basically took us through the side road or like the back and made us walk through the forest or whatever, so that they didn't have to pay the entry fee on our behalf, which means we paid a certain amount for the excursion and they don't have to pay the excursion fee, so more money goes in the hotel's pocket or the person who booked our excursion's pocket or the driver's pocket, I don't know. But someone made money off of us because they took us through the alleyway instead of the actual entry point for Ozoud Falls. We felt like idiots. But anyway, we spoke to guest relations and she's going to speak to the lady who booked our excursion and see what was going on, because that was just ridiculous. I mean, it was beautiful. It was beautiful because we got to see stuff that not many people would see, but it was hard. And because we was going through such a hard route to the waterfalls, we all started arguing. It was just silent, like nobody was in the mood to talk to each other. But anyway, we're back now. It was beautiful. If you come to Morocco, then I would definitely say go to Ozoud Falls. Anyway, I would definitely say go and see it if you are in Morocco. Just try not get bumped. Now we're home, Now we're back at the hotel, we're just gonna have some dinner and chill for the rest of the evening. So yeah, we're not doing much for the evening, but I might not vlog, but if I do, then it will be just little snippets. Okay.